Mbongeni Muthwa, who's standing outside the venue where those crucial public sector wage negotiations are set to take place. Mbongeni, thank you very much for joining us once again. Just tell us what the latest is where you are.
Well, we can confirm that the meeting, the negotiations, the crucial meeting is well and truly underway. From around 10 o'clock this morning, we did manage to gain entry inside here, inside this country estate, a very quiet and serene venue that has been chosen by the Public Service Coordinating Bargaining Council for today's meeting. We managed to get in briefly at around 10 o'clock this morning, and we saw negotiators from various unions, from the government, and of course a team from the Public Service Bargaining Coordinating Council led by the General Secretary of the Chamber, gathering from 10 o'clock this morning. And about an hour ago, we saw the principal starting to arrive, Mr. December Mavuso from Nehau, the Deputy General Secretary of Nehau, arrived, and he told us that the Vice President or Deputy President of Nehau, who's also the Vice President of COSATU, Mr. Mike Shingange, would also be making his way here. So far, we haven't spotted Mr. Shingange. We think he hasn't arrived yet, unless we missed him, but we haven't seen him. And chances are other principals of other public sector unions could also make their way here later on as the day progresses, as is the norm. Of course, so far the biggest talking point around today, a do-or-die meeting, according to the unions from yesterday, is the change of venue. The negotiations have always been held at the premises of the SABC in Centurion. Media has always been allowed access onto the premises, and but this time around the venue has been changed to this very secluded venue here in Pretoria, and it could be for many reasons. One of them, to keep the media away from today's meeting, given the sensitivity of
a pity we lost his sound yet again.